Hello guys, my name is Hafiz Zubair and you are watching Shoaib Zubairi YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to increase your Instagram followers and also likes. So before starting the video I have a request. If you don't subscribe my channel till now, then please click on the subscribe button to getting notifications of latest videos. So let's start. So you will need to download an application which name is Top Follow. I will drop the link of this application in the description. You can download easily. After that you will need to an Instagram fake account. You can create fake Instagram ID quickly. After that you will need to upload two images including profile image, and then you will have to publish it. After that click on this application and log in your fake account. I have already logged in and I click on. Now I would like to tell you how this application does work. This application does work in a cycle which you have added your Instagram account. That Instagram account will follow others, and when you click on start option, which you can see on the screen, your account will start to follow others and you will receive 4 coins each following. And these coins, you can see I have collected almost 18,000 coins. These coins you can use to promote your Instagram account, to getting followers, to getting likes. Now I want to tell you how you can use these coins. So click on the follower option, which you can see in the bottom. After that you will see a pop-up. Now here you can add your original account to in which you want to get followers. After adding your account, you can see many of the options. Number one, 10 followers you can get in 80 coins, and these are offers, you can use them. And another side, the likes option, where you can get likes. Here also you will have to add your original account, and then will have to click on the OK. And after that you will see here many of the offers, like in the follower section, and you can use this application.
And I hope this application will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.